The very first stop on the Carnival Horizon 6-day cruise was Ocho Rios, Jamaica. You don't have to register your drone in order to fly in Jamaica, so that was the first thing I brought out to capture this great view. The ship is docked at the port of Ocho Rios, Jamaica. A few of the top attractions at Ocho Rios is the Dunn's River Fall, Mystic Mountain, and bamboo rafting. I love coming here for the Appleton rum and the Jamaican cuisine. Once you debark the ship, the nearest beach is right in front of your eyes. Let's go dance, honey. As you can see, we love to have fun. If this is your first time at Brundage World, please like our video and drop us a comment down below. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when our very next video drops. Let's go! And feel free to share. We're about to go on an air-conditioned bus tour throughout Ocho Rios, Jamaica. We highly recommend Here We Go Jaw Tours. We highly recommend Brother Anthony. He was very knowledgeable and fun. Let's check it out. Excuse me while I put on my Jamaican accent. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Brother Earl from Brundage World. And we're in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Respect, you know.
That's the Moon Palace.
Moon Palace to the left.
Yes.
On the left.
5-star hotel there.
5-star hotel, you know. In Jamaica, they drive on the left side because of the British rule. The left side is the right side, and the right side is suicide. Be careful.
This is Sanders Hotel.
The Silent Ochi Hotel, you know, Sanders.
Yeah. We got 2 Sanders here in Ochi. One closer to the beach and one in the hills. All that kind of thing. I'm just going to go through here and then turn around. There's bamboo rafting. So I'm just showing you some places.
Okay.
Alright. Yeah man, no. When we go up in the hills and come back down, we go to get some nice oxtail and then we do some shopping.
Alright.
So look on the right over here. You see that?
No.
The bamboo rafting.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Yeah, see them right there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So what happens here? This is the starting point. For some company they'll start here, another company start in the hills and come back down. They'll load up a truck and put all those rafting on it and go up and then start your tour from the up top coming right down. They go down to the sea and come back around. Now on the rafting they will do also limestone massage for the ladies.
Oh yeah, I saw that on Instagram.
Yes, so the ladies in your string and they'll give you a nice massage.
All the way up so.
All the way up so.
So they can dig in your tail, basically. There you go.
Chinese have taken over a lot of the towns in Jamaica.
The Chinese,
yeah, with a lot of business, they come in here,
buy up everything, you know.
And the thing is, the government gives them, I think, between 3 to 5 years without tax.
Jesus.
So when they reach to the time to pay tax, another family comes in and run the business.
They gotta figure it out.
Yeah, but what's happening too, they're very smart. They come in and give us highways. We pay the toll and they control it for a couple of years before they turn it over to the government. And in between that time they have the toll, they can raise it whenever they want.
Oh wow.
Right now on the toll we are paying maybe $60, $30 one way, $30 the other way. With this size,
Jesus.
Yeah.
Sound like Trump.
Yep.
I don't want to pay no tax, you know. It's not just Trump. Everybody don't want to save money, you know. Ross.
Yeah, man. So it's one of them things.
Kingston, Port Antonio.
Showing you some of the community. Some of these houses started out. This is a government community housing development. Started out small with a house, and then they start to build around it. Some of these houses, when they build, extend on it, they do it as an Airbnb and all that.
Oh, they go Babylon.
Babylon. What we call the police, we call them Babylon. Or the Rasta. Babylon. This is a church in Miami, 7th Avenue. Pentecostal church.
Yeah.
Pastor Stewart is the pastor.
It's a lot of churches. It's a lot of churches in Miami.
Yep.
There's a lot of churches in Jamaica too.
Yep. So they got more per square mile.
Yeah.
Alright, what you guys paying gas in your state now?
$3.59 if you're lucky.
Your state? Same thing? Look at this gas price here.
Jesus, convert it.
Alright, so look at it now.
Convert it.
This is per liter.
Oh, it's not even a gallon.
That's not even a gallon.
So we are paying the dollar is now 150 to 1 US. So we're basically paying this $6.57 depending on the grade per gallon.
Jesus, and we back home complaining, you know. We complain about the gas prices.
Every morning, and that's a tradition, even from like an infant level. We don't have a middle school system here. We only have
Primary.
elementary or primary, and then high school.
That's it.
Yeah. But everybody wears uniform in school here. Yeah, everybody. Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Is that a goat?
Yeah, that's.
Hold on.
Anybody want curry goat?
Curry goat, man. That's gonna be somebody's lunch. Dinner. Oh, his foot broke. His foot broke. Oh man. Oh, look at the Aki tree.
Yeah.
Aki everywhere. So look at the Aki. We got these back home too. You know?
Alright, hold on a second.
No problem.
Aki open, it can kill you. There's a poisonous gas inside. So you don't force the Aki open. You allow it to open on a tree. And when it opens on its own, it releases that gas, and it's one of the best food.
Yeah, man. Yes,
This
sir.
is our national fruit, the ackee, and we use it with codfish as a national dish. So with codfish and the ackee and the codfish, we eat it with like breadfruit, like roast breadfruit.
Ocho Rios Primary School.
And then we have the devotions right off here in the parking lot in the morning.
Oh, the devotion.
And then go to class. But this school, like the high school that we just saw, there's so much kids here that they have to have tuition. So from 7 to 12 is 1, and from 12 to 5 is 1. So this school here in the green wall is Ocho Rios High. Alright, this girl here in the yellow,
Yeah.
she's in grade 10 or 11. Yeah. And this girl here walking to the blue card,
Yeah.
she'll be maybe in between grade 7 to grade 9.
Because of the uniform.
Because of the uniform. Yeah, that's how it is.
Seventh-day Adventist Church.
Yeah. Remember, we have the Catholics, Methodists, Anglican, you name it. It's here.
Oh, no.
remember cotton candy back in the day?
Yeah.
See right here?
Yes, sir.
This guy. So here's our elementary school or primary school. They used to have some shops here before COVID.
Oh, okay.
And COVID just shut down everything. Last week was the first time since COVID we had 2 shifts in one day.
Oh, wow.
Yep. Yeah. Here's a little cave.
Oh, there's a cave here.
See the cave on the side here? Cave. They have over 300 species of ferns in this area.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this road will take you all the way to Kingston, Jamaica, but we're not going there today. We may go by the Fern Gully, down by the gully.
See the statue down there?
Yes, Jesus.
Jesus. When you coming back? Go.
I think your dad likes it. Yeah. If you got ran over me, because I didn't ran him from my car.
You got it, Miss Bev?
Oh, I hadn't got those on me.
One hand.
Yeah, no, they're used to it.
Yeah. Top quality hair.
No, they sell here. Mostly here, and then they go to the hair salon and then
they sew it together.
They sew it in.
Oh, it's not a wig.
Yeah, so it's not. So it's not really well. Maybe.
We made a pit stop to Oceans on the Ridge. Check out this view. I had to bring up the drone again. You're able to purchase food and drinks, and boy, is the customer service A1A. Marijuana is legal in Jamaica, and I can't tell you how many times we were approached to purchase marijuana while we were in Jamaica. This island is filled with vegetation and mountainous terrain. There are many hills and valleys in Jamaica. Did you know they make their own coffee? It's called Blue Mountain. And guess what? It is grown, the coffee beans, right here in Jamaica. As a fellow countryman would say, everything Irie is no problem.